African Apostolic Church of Apostle of African, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. We invite you in the name of Jesus Christ who commissioned his servant Ernest Paul Mwaja of Africa to the African Apostolic Church Cape Province Holy Gathering to be held on Saturday, 16 October 2021 at PALOUTWATER Primary School, JOURBETINA, KUKNYSNA. The sick are healed and people are taken out of all troubles. Mark 16 verse 15. The servant of God Ernest Paul Mwaja of Africa always says, conduct yourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ, so that whether I come and see you or remain absent, I will hear of you that you are standing firm in one spirit, with one mind, striving together for the faith of the gospel. Kunyangwe ndisipo, ndinoda kunzwa kuti mumire nesimba muchirwira kutenda kwa evangeli. Philippians 1 verse 27. For more information, please feel free to contact the African Apostolic Church Cape Province Executive on their numbers emerging on the screen.